In a land where mountains whispered secrets, a volcano named Ember slept. One day, Ember awoke with a mighty roar, sending ash and smoke into the sky. The sun hid behind the clouds and the world grew cooler. Animals, puzzled by the chill, gathered to discuss. "Why is it so cold?" asked a wise old owl. "Ember's sneeze has covered the sky," replied a clever fox. As time passed, the ash settled and the sun returned, teaching everyone the power of nature's balance. Remember, even the smallest actions can have big effects. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.